done. Create a free KDP account. Go to the Bookshelf tab and click Create. Now you're going to click Create Paperback. Continue with your language, your book title, and your series. Next, you're going to put in your edition number, your author, your contributors, and your description. Alright, next you're going to put in your publishing rights, your audience, your marketplace, and then your categories. Put in your keywords, your publication date, and your release date. Continue with your ISBN number and then choose all of your print options. Next, upload your manuscript and your book cover. Next, you get to preview your book and your printing costs. Now you get to price your book to sell on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Thanks.